Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my own way of making fish sweet sour. And to go with, I'm going to do a simple lemon rice as well. I'm using cod fish today. Actually, this is what I had in the fridge, but you can use any types of fish you desire. So let's marinate the fish first. Here I took quarter lemon. Lemon juice will help to remove the fishy smell, if I may say. Salt and pepper according to your taste. Leave it marinate at least for 20 minutes. Let's have a look on the things we need for the sauce. Here I took small size of tomato and I have removed the seeds and cut it into small cubes. And I took a small onion as well, bell pepper cut into cubes, spring onion, ginger garlic paste, and few slices of lemon just for garnishing, and lastly ketchup, about 3 to 4 teaspoons. I'm going to coat the fish with all-purpose flour. It's to avoid the fish fall apart while frying. So coat well, make sure the flour is coated all over the fish. We're going to shallow fry the fish. Here I took a medium size of pan. Make sure the oil is super hot. Once it cooked well, move into serving plate. In the same pan, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, let it caramelize well. Once the color turns brown, you can add onion. Followed by ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add the bell pepper. Tomato. And now it's time to add ketchup. Mix well until all come together. Add spring onion and now you can put off the fire. That's it, our sauce is ready. And just pour it on top of the fried fish. Garnish with the lemon slices. You can add coriander leaves if you desire. And that's it, our fish sweet sour, it's done. And now let's move on to lemon rice. Here I took half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed and mustard seed and 2 dry chilies. And here just the spring onions leaves, the greens. I took half a lemon juice and I mix it with the lemon zest. And here I got 1/4 teaspoons of turmeric powder. So let's heat up the oil. I just had the fenugreek seed and mustard, the dry chilies as well. You can add green chilies if you want. Once the mustard seeds start to break, you can add the turmeric powder. And once you add the turmeric powder, mix well quickly, if not it will burn. And I'm adding about 1½ cup of cooked rice. And at this point you can add the lemon juice with the lemon zest. Mix all well until it become together. Make sure there is no lumps left. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of salt, not much, as the lemon is already a bit sour. And that's it. I'm going to add half of the spring onion. Mix it well. And the lemon rice is ready. Garnish with more spring onions. You also can add peanuts while you do the tempering for the lemon rice. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.